What happens if you clean a motherboard in a dishwasher? I have no idea, so let's find out. As always, please don't try this at home, although you might be surprised by the result at the end of the video. And if you're interested in further supporting these types of experiments, I have merch on my website, MrEaster.com. I ran the motherboard in the dishwasher for 30 minutes without any type of soap. As you can see, when I pulled it out, it was dripping wet, as expected. Which means, as a next step, I thoroughly dried the motherboard. I used a heat gun to speed up this process, and blow dried the motherboard over and over again until every single droplet of water was completely dry. Finally, I reinstalled the CMOS battery and installed all the other necessary parts for the computer. Now, the true test. Believe it or not, the motherboard still works. Plus, now it's nice and clean. This is pretty risky, so again, I don't recommend trying it at home. But now you know.